Okay, good morning all of you. In today's session of acid basis salt, we'll first finish off chemical properties of acids. We were doing chemical properties of acids. A little bit is left, we'll just finish it off. First of all, this is NaCl. Normally NaCl or any chloride doesn't react with dilute acid. But if you make a chloride react with concentrated acid, then depending on the temperature, you will get different type of product. Like sodium chloride with concentrated sulfuric acid, if it is below 200, you will get NaHSO4 plus HCl, and sodium chloride plus concentrated H2SO4. If it is above 200, you will get Na2SO4 plus HCl. So depending on the temperature, if the temperature is below 200, you will get this product. If it is above 200, you will get this product. Depends on the temperature. Secondly, regarding nitrates, what happens is that regarding nitrates, if you see generally the metal nitrates, they don't react with dilute acid, but lead nitrate reacts with HCl and H2SO4 both, and it will give a insoluble, this is insoluble, lead chloride and lead sulfate. This is dilute HCl, this is dilute H2SO4. Generally metal nitrates don't react with dilute acid, but lead nitrate reacts with dilute HCl to give lead chloride and dilute H2SO4 to give lead sulfate. Regarding concentrated, so if it is concentrated acid like concentrated H2SO4, right, in that case, just like we discussed over here, the nitrate will give below 200 KHSO4 plus HNO3, above 200 K2SO4 plus HNO3. So this is for nitrates with concentrated H2SO4, depending on temperature whether it is below or above 200, and this is for nitrate with dilute. So with dilute HCl H2SO4, only lead nitrate will react, and with concentrated H2SO4, potassium nitrate can react, but depending on whether it is below or above, you will get different type of product. So this is the details of chemical properties of acids which was pending from last day. Okay, now we will move on to preparation of bases. So the next topic is preparation of bases. So suppose if you have a metal, sodium plus oxygen will give Na2O. So that is one possibility. Then magnesium plus oxygen is MgO, that is possibility number 2. So sodium plus oxygen is Na2O, magnesium plus oxygen is MgO. So you know that metallic oxides are bases, so you can prepare the metallic oxide and that will be acting like a base. The second option is you can do one thing, you can react with water, active metal means sodium, potassium, calcium. So you can react with water, active metal like sodium, potassium or calcium, and that will give you the base. The third method is so the second and third method, they have some similarity. If you treat an active metal like sodium, potassium, calcium with water, you will get the base NaOH, KOH, COH whole twice. If you treat metal oxide with water, you will get the base NaOH, KOH and COH whole twice. Now these bases, like these bases, okay, they are also called alkalis. Okay, these bases, they are also known as alkalis. So any base which is soluble in water is called an alkali. So these bases NaOH, KOH, COH whole twice, or for that matter these three are the same. So these are called alkalis, right? So preparation of bases will stop here for today. There are some more methods of preparation of bases, but we'll stop here for today. Now I am giving you the homework for the next session. Okay, this is your homework for 9 p.m. This is your homework for 9 p.m. Saturday. There won't be any homework session today. Your homework is, if you remember in the last session in chemical properties of acids, I had told you about neutralization. Acid plus base is salt plus water. So if the acid is HCl, base is NaOH, you have to write acid plus base equal to salt plus water. If the acid is HCl, base is COH whole twice, you have to write acid plus base equal to salt plus water. Similarly, acid HCl, base FeOH whole twice, acid H2SO4, base CO, acid HNO3, base NaOH. So these are the 5 combination of acid and base, and for each of them you have to write the answer is equal to salt plus water. So this is your homework for 9 p.m. Saturday, right? There is no homework session today. That will be all. We'll continue next session. Bye all of you.